big too. It's gonna be loud. They got some music playing in the background. We're here, Cafe Du Monde. We got some beignets. It's absolutely incredible. Anyone that knows me knows that I have a sweet tooth, and I can eat anything that's sweet. Sweet tea, don't gotta put it so close to my face. This is right up my alley. This is definitely for me. I can do this every day. Alright, so we're gonna go geocache searching. Mark's in the lead so far. He's got 2. And that was yesterday. Today's a new day. Alright, so there's a geocache. It's anybody's game. Found it, but he can't get it. He can't get it out. Oh, I don't want to touch it. I don't know what I'm doing. This isn't it. It's not it. You had to stick our finger down a pipe to try. Dad, are you kidding me? Oh, there's no telling what I just touched. Bingo, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. That's 2-2 for counting both days. 1-0 for just counting day 2. Doesn't matter. But hey, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
I was looking myself.
Right in there.
I was looking for it.
Go! How am I so good at this? Apparently, where we're at was filmed in NCIS New Orleans. So that's kind of cool fact for any of you that like that show. Ooh.
NCIS.
We're about to hit up an escape room. We got the hardest difficulty for this guy. He got like that 15 something on the SAT. Like blew it out of the park. That's near perfect, huh? Near perfect. He's only 3 questions off. So we got him for the escape room. He's gonna lead the way, and I'm just gonna sit there and have fun, I guess. Just be chill. We just made it to the escape room. We got the hardest difficulty. It's 9 out of 10 is what it said. I think I can do this because of this guy. I'll catch you when we get back out. We just got out of the escape room. We escaped. I got a whole lot more clues than I expected to get. This guy was doing pretty good. I mean, of course we expected those 2 to do good, but we actually were impressed with our performance in that escape room. I was all over the place, climbing through things, you know, reaching the top of stuff, you know, I found some keys. I mean, I'm not really the one to find out the combinations and puzzles and stuff, but I did all the grunt work. You know what I'm saying? Now we're about to go get some lunch, so let's see where we're gonna go eat. We're here at the Coterie Nola Restaurant Oyster Bar. Restaurant and oyster bar. This is where we're gonna eat, so catch you in a bit. All right, for the YouTube channel, I'm gonna cover us some boudin balls. We're here. We all got boudin balls. Smile. Paid $12 for this. here in New Orleans. So I'm gonna take my first bite of the boudin ball. Got some special sauces to it. Yeah, there you go. Man, this slaps, man. Man, this slaps. I mean, not that I've had very many boudin balls in my life, but this is by far the best boudin ball I've ever had in my life. I would give this a straight 10. No doubt. Let's go ahead and take this first bite. Bon appetit. Alright, not gonna lie. That first bite was good. Oh, let's go. Give it that little extra spice that it deserves. The crawfish etouffee is good. It's not as spicy as I was. Well, it's spicy because I put the Tabasco sauce in it. But without Tabasco sauce, it really wasn't as spicy as I was wanting it to be. Unless it's gonna kick here in a minute. And because of that, I'm gonna lower my rating down just a little bit. But that's only because I had the predetermined idea that it was gonna have some spice to it. It's not that it doesn't, it's just it's expected a little bit more. It is very seasoned-ful and very tasteful, and I mean, you really taste the flavor in it. So that's always good. Solid 8. And that's it for this.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go.
If you like this video, please leave a like. It helps me out. Comment. Let me know what you thought about this video, or if you have any ideas of how to make these travel vlogs better, or if you got any places you want me to check out, or if you want to travel with me, let me know. I want to put a team together and travel quite a bit. So I kind of like this world traveler type of deal, you know. Hope y'all enjoy these videos. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all again next time. Let's go.